Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together with the 8th video of our Avalanche ecosystem tutorial today. You will learn how to use kalao, nftrade and opensea platforms. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and TikTok channels to keep up with our latest videos and events. Now let's get started. Avalanche is an open source platform for launching decentralized applications and enterprise blockchain deployments in its ecosystem. Avalanche is the first decentralized smart contracts platform built for the scale of global finance with near instant transaction finality. We have a good playlist that explains the purpose of this blockchain and I suggest you check it if you are new to crypto. nftrade is the first cross-chain NFT platform and an aggregator of all NFT marketplaces built in the Avalanche network for the people to mint, sell, buy, and participate in the new NFT project sales. The platform welcomes its users with a simple and user-friendly interface. Here it says all chains are in one place. You can connect your Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Immutable X, and Moonbeam wallets. And speaking of wallets, you need a Metamask wallet to use these platforms. And if you don't have a Metamask wallet or don't know how to use the Avalanche network, you can watch our Metamask tutorials to learn how to do it. Let's start with how to create an NFT. You can upload any of these files that are no more than 30 megabytes. Choose a name, describe its purpose, set its properties, and add or create a new collection. It currently costs 0.3 AVAX per creation. You can also observe the marketplace to see if there is a good offer. You can adjust your preferences through these settings. Watch our NFT tutorials to learn more about finding the best NFT. For example, let's say I want to buy this land NFT. I click on it and it tells me to make an offer, buy now, or propose a swap. If you have another NFT in your wallet, you can click on this propose button to ask if the counterparty would accept your offer to swap NFTs. If you make an offer, you can set the amount you would like to pay and then confirm the process from your Metamask wallet. And if you want to skip all that, you can click on this buy now button and purchase an NFT from its current set price. You can see the previous offers and the order history for each NFT from this box. Also, you can see the value of your NFT from the attributes and asset details. You can observe the top collections and the recent market activity as to who sold what from which price at which time from the rankings option. And if you want to see your purchase NFTs and market order history, you can click on this icon and choose My Account. Now let's continue with kalao. Kalao is an Avalanche built NFT ecosystem allowing you to experience NFTs in new ways such as the VR and Metaverse. Yes, I said VR and Metaverse because you can use VR goggles to walk through kalao NFT marketplace. How cool is that? Again, we have a simple and user-friendly interface, but this time we have more options such as the launchpad. First, you have to connect your Metamask wallet. You can access your dashboard to see your owned items and adjust your profile settings. Let's continue with the explore option. Here it says collections, all NFTs and creators. If you choose the first one, you will see the listed collections ranked on their current market volume. Or you can change the filter to recently created or trending. You can see how many owners, its current floor price, and the market volume at the bottom of each collection. If you choose NFTs instead, you will see the single NFTs rather than the collections. Again, you can adjust your filters to see the recently listed, most liked, cheapest, and most expensive NFTs in the market. If you choose the artist, you will see the creators of each collection. Let's look at one of these collections to see how to buy NFTs and check their rarity. For example, let's choose this NFT collection, which is one of my favorite comics from Turkey. Here you can access the social media platforms, read about the purpose of the collection, and track its market activities such as recent transactions and its current market cap. Again, you can change your filters to find the best suitable option for yourself. For example, let's have a look at this one. It is currently on sale for 2.8 AVAX. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the attributes for each NFT. Based on this data, you can decide decide if this NFT is worth purchasing or not. It is an uncommon NFT and the current AVAX price is relatively low. However, what benefits would I get by buying this or any other NFT in this collection? This is the question you should always ask yourself before purchasing anything. You can create a single or multiple NFTs to create your collection from your profile icon. As I explained earlier, you must upload one of these files, this time up to 100 megabytes. Again, you can adjust your NFT settings like its name, description, properties, and the royalty fee. If you don't know the royalty fee, you can watch our NFT tutorials. Later, you can sell those NFTs by clicking this sell button and completing the price settings. In my opinion, the best part of this platform is the launchpad. You can mint NFTs of the newest projects at low prices. For example, this NFT sale is still on and I can mint up to 5 NFTs at 1 AVAX per NFT for this collection. It also says that there are only 25 pieces left. Of course, like anything else, it is a risky business. Choose wisely before buying any NFT or you will lose your money. Here we have the rewards button. You can stake your kalao tokens to earn additional rewards and passive income. Watch our Decentralized Exchange tutorial to learn how to stake tokens and earn passive income. Last but not least, we have the OpenSea NFT platform. It is one of the best NFT platforms to the very day. It welcomes its users with a dynamic, warm, and user-friendly interface. OpenSea now offers cross-blockchain compatibility across the Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Avalanche blockchains. However, you can only sell your NFTs on Polygon and Ethereum networks at the moment. With Avalanche, OpenSea users can settle NFT transactions in less than a second with low transaction fees. Again, you can connect your Metamask wallet through this profile icon and access your dashboard to adjust your collections and set selling prices. Let's start with how to create and sell NFTs. Like in the previous two examples, you must upload one of these files up to 100 megabytes and fulfill these required areas such as its description, purpose, etc. As I said, you can access the OpenSea platform through any network, yet you can only use the Polygon and Ethereum networks to buy or sell NFTs at the moment. After creating your first NFT, go back to the profile icon and choose My Collections. Choose the NFT to sell, click on the sell button, switch your network, and adjust the type, price, and date settings. It is as simple as it is. Once you approve it from your Metamask wallet, it is listed for sale. You can also watch our OpenSea tutorials to learn how to use this platform efficiently to get benefits. You can explore all NFTs from various categories or see the top NFT collections through these options. You can change the rankings based on current statistics such as volume, percentage change, and floor price. Also, you can change the blockchains. For example, if you only want to buy NFT with Solana, you can choose Solana or Avalanche to pay with AVAX. I currently have all networks selected, but you can adjust however you like. Here we have the Ethereum name server on the list, and recently we made a video about how to create and sell these domains. I suggest you watch that video too. And soon we will have more videos about the OpenSea platform and the new events. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.